Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to discuss the topic vector-borne diseases, and this topic is from chapter 4 Health and Hygiene of class 6. Students, you know various microorganisms like bacteria, virus, protozoan, fungus. These are responsible for causing disease in animals. Okay, so these microorganisms are carried from one place to another place by some agents. Okay, and one important thing is these microorganisms enter into the body of animals or humans either through air or water or food. Okay, so what today we are going to discuss is vector-borne diseases. Now, first of all, what is vector? So basically, vectors, these are the carriers of specific microorganisms. Okay, vectors, they carry the disease causing germs from one place to another place. Okay, so these vectors, what they are? Carrier of disease causing germs. Okay, means what they will do, they will carry the germ from one place to the another place. So these are vectors. Okay, these are carrying. These are carrying what? These are carrying the germs which causes disease. Okay, so basically when we talk about vectors, examples like housefly, it is the well-known vector. Okay, mosquito, cockroaches, rats also. So basically housefly, makhiyan, machhar or cockroach, all these, they are vectors and they contribute maximum in transferring the disease causing germ from one place to another place. So students, this housefly it is known for causing at least 20 diseases in animals. Okay, when we talk about animals, it includes human beings also. Okay, so basically housefly, these are responsible for causing at least 20 diseases in the human beings or in the animals. Okay, next we will discuss how this housefly, it is responsible for carrying the germs from one place to another place. So students, you know this housefly is the well-known vector, and this housefly, it feeds on garbage and human excreta. That is the waste which is expelled out from the body of human. So what this housefly do? It feeds on the garbage. So garbage जो आपका गंदगी, कूड़ा करकट जितना भी आपका, उस गंदगी के ऊपर क्या करती है? फीड करती है. मल्टीप्लाई मीन्स it increases its number. Second, human excreta. Human excreta is what? Human excreta is the waste which is expelled out of the body of the human. Okay, so this is the favorite place of housefly. So what happens, beta, when this housefly, okay, when this housefly, it sits on this excreta or the garbage, the germs which are present on the excreta or on the garbage, they stick to the legs or wings of the house fly. So once they stick to wings or the legs of the house fly, then what will happen? Now I will tell you. It sits on garbage or excreta. Okay. Second is the germs on the excreta or waste sticks to its legs or wings. Now when this fly sits on some food items or some other eatables, the germs they will get dropped here, and this food item it will become contaminated. Contaminated means now there is the presence of germs. Okay. Now once this food item is consumed or eaten by any individual, the germs they will enter into the body. Okay. Now once these germs enter the body, you all know it will be responsible for causing cholera, okay, typhoid. So basically what we want to say here is this housefly, what it is doing, it is just carrying the germs which causes disease from the waste, that is garbage and human excreta. Okay, and when this fly it sits on the food items, then the germs which are stick to its leg and wings, they get dropped on the food items, and the food item it becomes contaminated. Okay, and when that food item, contaminated food item, it is consumed or it is eaten, the germs it enter into the body, and then this germ makes us diseased. Okay, so you all know basically maximum diseases occurs through contaminated air, water and food. Okay. Next vector is mosquito. The next vector which we are going to discuss is mosquito. Now basically you all know this mosquito. Okay, when we talk about the mosquito, female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito. So malaria, it is responsible for causing a disease, that is malaria. Okay, in malaria you all know we have high fever, shivering, we are shivering with, okay, attempt. Then we have feeling of vomiting, okay, headache, muscle pain. So this malaria is caused by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. Okay, now how it is responsible for causing malaria, that I will tell you. When female Anopheles mosquito, okay, it sucks blood of infected person, okay, that Plasmodium, Protozoan Plasmodium, which is a protozoan parasite. This Plasmodium it enters into the stomach of the female Anopheles mosquito. In the stomach it multiplies. This Plasmodium it multiplies in its stomach. Now when this female Anopheles mosquito bites a healthy person, bitten by the female Anopheles mosquito, then this Plasmodium it enters into its body and the person will suffer from the infection, that is malaria. So this is how this female Anopheles mosquito it is responsible for causing malaria. Okay, so these two, the housefly and mosquito, these are well known